Google Pixel 9 Pro display issues trigger extended repair program. For Pixel 9 Pro and its XL counterpart, Google has launched an extended repair plan targeting a specific display fault. In addition, the company is lengthening the warranty for the Pixel 9 Pro Fold from 1 year to 3 years to safeguard against potential future problems. In recent models from several brands, vertical green lines appearing on screens have been a recurring problem. While newer OLED panels have generally improved, Google appears to anticipate a similar display risk with the Pixel 9 Pro lineup and is preemptively offering extended coverage. Under the new program, affected Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL devices are eligible for 3 years of repair coverage from the original purchase date. Google's support page clarifies that the program applies specifically to a vertical line that runs from bottom to top on the display, and it also covers display flicker. Repairs for this vertical line issue can begin on December 8, 2025. If a device has already undergone a screen replacement through an authorized repair center for a comparable issue, Google may reach out to the owner directly. Note that devices with cracked screens or other significant hardware or liquid damage may be excluded from the program, in which case the owner would be responsible for repairs. Warranty extension for Pixel 9 Pro Fold. In addition, Google is extending the Pixel 9 Pro Fold's warranty by 3 years from the original purchase date. The company states that a limited number of Pixel 9 Pro Fold units may experience issues impacting device functionality, and in such cases a replacement will be provided at no charge. This extended protection covers these affected units for 90 days. The support page indicates the issue in question is likely related to the display, though Google does not spell out a specific defect. As with the Pixel 9 Pro, devices with cracked displays or liquid damage will not be eligible for the extended warranty. Bottom line, Google is proactively expanding repair and warranty coverage to address potential display-related faults in the Pixel 9 Pro family, offering longer protection windows and zero-cost replacements for qualifying issues.